In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a brand slider in Shopify. A brand slider is a great way to showcase the logos of companies you work with, brands you stock, or partners you want to highlight. It usually appears as a horizontal row of logos that automatically scrolls or can be swiped through, and it adds a lot of credibility and visual interest to your store. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage products, orders, and your online store design. Once you're on the dashboard home screen, look for the search bar at the top of the page. This search is really powerful because it quickly takes you to different areas of your store without having to dig through menus. Click into that search bar and type Section Store. As you type, Shopify will show you matching options in a drop-down. When you see Section Store appear in the results, go ahead and click on it. The section store is where you can browse and add pre-built sections to enhance your theme without needing to code anything. Once you're in the section store, look for the search bar within this page and type logo. This will filter the available sections to anything related to logos, including brand carousels and sliders. You'll see different brand slider options with various layouts and styles. Browse through the options and click on the brand slider that you like best. Take a moment to look at the preview and description so you're sure it fits your store's design and needs, like how many logos it supports and whether it's optimized for mobile. When you're happy with your choice, click on Purchase Now. Shopify will show you a confirmation screen, usually including any costs or trial details associated with that section. Review the information and then click Approve to confirm the purchase and add the section to your store. After the purchase is approved, you're ready to add the slider to your theme. From the left-hand menu in your Shopify admin, click on Online Store. This will take you to your theme area, where you manage how your storefront looks. On your current theme, click on Edit Theme or Customize, depending on what you see. Inside the theme editor, look at the left-hand column where your sections are listed for the page you're editing. Click on Add Section in the area where you want your brand slider to appear. Then click into the search bar that appears. Type the name of the brand slider you just added from the section store and select it from the results. Once it's added, you can upload your brand logos, adjust settings like autoplay or spacing, and arrange the slider exactly where you want it on the page. When you're finished customizing, remember to save your changes, and your new brand slider will be live